Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best countertop pizza ovens that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Luby Convection. We start the list off with a strong contender. It not only looks cool, but it has a whole list of practical features to suit your needs. Plus, it has a variety of settings that will help you. One of its main features is its immense capacity. It is also suitable for making cookies, casseroles, and other bread items. Next, it is a multi-purpose oven, with various settings: bake, toast, convection, etc. The adjustable temperature ranges from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and has 3 heating variations. These are upper, and lower, and it also has a built-in timer for getting it ready in time. Furthermore, the oven has clear see-through windows, allowing you to see the progress of your delicious pizza. Lastly, it is also pretty easy to clean, so you save a lot of valuable time. At number 4. COSORI Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This thing is very slow compared to other toaster ovens. You have to choose a setting, push start, then wait a few minutes to preheat before pressing start again to cook your food. I also noticed that when it's preheated to 400, I can stick my hand in the oven comfortably and it just feels a little hot, not nearly as hot as it should. I should not be able to put my hand in a 400 degrees oven for more than a few seconds. This thing takes 50 minutes to heat a frozen Costco chicken bake, which is longer than a conventional oven. It takes twice as long to air fryer as an actual air fryer. I've also noticed that an incredible amount of heat just rises out of the machine. You would expect some insulation on the door, but it's thin glass with no gasket around the edges of the door, so there is a 2 mm gap allowing hot air to escape. At number 3. Pizzacraft Tabletop Oven. You can easily make restaurant-quality pizzas with this tabletop oven. It can heat up to higher temperatures than a conventional pizza oven, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook a pizza in 6 minutes. The 12-inch hollow core distributes heat evenly across the oven, giving you a delicious pizza by the time the timer rings. Furthermore, the silicone handles enable them to open and close the door safely. Given that the metal doors help to keep in the heat while cooking, the oven fits almost all gas tops. However, it is not compatible with electric ranges, having the construction of sturdy steel. It is quite durable. You can preheat your food on this option. It has various cooking settings for easy and efficient cooking. At number 2. Cuisinart Oven. The Cuisinart tabletop oven comes with 7 cooking settings for different types of cooking. It comes with dimensions of 15.50*16*14 inches. The oven can hold 6 slices of bread, can air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings at a time, roast a 4-pound chicken, and bake a 12-inch pizza. The oven also includes an adjustable thermostat and an automatic timer that shuts off on its own, hence you don't have to wait for your delicious pizza to get cooked. You can even cook some other dishes while this oven cooks the food for you. Finally, it has non-stick interiors, which makes the post-cooking cleaning process much more comfortable and quicker, introducing a healthier way to fry and so much more. The Cuisinart Oven Fryer is actually a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer. That means it not only bakes broiling toasts, it also lets you air fry right inside the oven. Finally, at number 1. Oster Digital Countertop. This oven features convection heating for faster and safer cooking. It comes equipped with a digital timer and various settings for accurate cooking timings, resulting in the perfect pizza. This comes with a large interior that can fit 2 pizza family-sized chicken and even 18 slices of bread. The oven includes 2 oven racks, greater than a baking pan, and an integrated broiling rack. As a matter of fact, the oven also fits comfortably on kitchen counters without consuming much space. With the 2 racks, you can prepare 2 dishes simultaneously without having to look at it time and again. Cook with the convenience of an oven on your countertop using the Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. Perfect for the holidays when you need extra oven space or just for cooking dinner quickly on a weeknight. This large countertop convection oven uses convection technology to distribute heat evenly for thorough cooking and excellent results. The oven's generously sized interior offers enough space to accommodate 2 large take and bake pizzas, a family-sized chicken, a roast. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.